हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल प्रोफेशनल टैप बाय आसी। दोस्तों, होप आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे और सुरक्षित होंगे। प्लीज़ अपना ख्याल रखें, अपने आसपास सफाई रखें और साथ ही सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को मेंटेन करते रहें। इसी के साथ दोस्तों, अगर अभी तक आपने वैक्सीन नहीं लिया है तो प्लीज़ ज़रूर से अपने वैक्सीनेशन प्रोसेस को पूरा करें। फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हाउ टू राइट सैलरी नेगोशिएशन लेटर। दोस्तों, आप सभी इसके बारे में जानते हैं। इसमें ज़्यादा बताने को कुछ नहीं है कि इस तरह का लेटर आप कब और किन सिचुएशंस में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ज़रूर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टिप्स हैं जिसको सेल नेगोशिएशन लेटर बनाते वक्त कंसिडर ज़रूर करना चाहिए। इसके बारे में हम जानेंगे। इसमें सबसे पहला है, आप कंपनी के लिए क्या बेस्ट ऑफर कर सकते हैं वो ज़रूर मेंशन करें, जैसे कि आपका एक्सपीरियंस, आपके स्किल्स, आपका एजुकेशन लेवल, आपके लीडरशिप का एक्सपीरियंस, आपकी सिमिलर इंडस्ट्री में एक्सपीरियंस। इन सबको ज़रूर अपने लेटर्स में मेंशन करें। नेक्स्ट, डू मार्केट रिसर्च और सर्वे फॉर सिमिलर जॉब्स। मतलब आप जो भी जॉब रोल के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में रिसर्च करें कि आपके एक्सपीरियंस और स्किल सेट के अकॉर्डिंग उस तरह के रोल के लिए क्या स्टैंडर्ड पे स्केल है। नेक्स्ट, हाईलाइट बेनिफिट्स टू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल हैव वंस यू विल ज्वाइन। इसका मतलब है, अगर आप उस जॉब रोल में आते हैं तो आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स दे सकते हैं, इसके बारे में ज़रूर अपने लेटर्स में मेंशन करें। नेक्स्ट, बी फ्लेक्सिबल। हो सकता है आपकी कंपनी आपकी सारी डिमांड्स को एक्सेप्ट ना करे, इसलिए बी फ्लेक्सिबल और ये अपने लेटर्स में भी बताएं। लास्ट टिप, रिक्वेस्ट टाइम टू डिस्कस। दोस्तों, क्योंकि ये नेगोशिएशन है तो अपने लेटर को ओपन एंड में ही रखें और रिक्वेस्ट करें कि आप नेगोशिएशन को डिस्कस करने के लिए रेडीली अवेलेबल भी हैं। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, अब हम बनाना शुरू करेंगे अपने लेटर्स। लेकिन उससे पहले दोस्तों, अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ कर लें और साथ ही इस बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक करें, जिससे आपको हमारे आने वाले वीडियोज़ के नोटिफिकेशंस मिल जाएंगे। तो इसमें सबसे पहला टाइप है सैलरी नेगोशिएशन लेटर, सिंपल टाइप। डेट, टू द HR मैनेजर, ABC कंपनी, सिविल लाइंस, दिल्ली। डियर मैम, greetings of the day. Many thanks for offering me position of sales manager in your esteemed company. It will be an honor for me to work in ABC company, and I also appreciate you for choosing me as most suitable candidate for this job. I would like to bring your kind attention for the salary package offered to me. Although I am happy with the salary and I think it is in line with my market value. However, considering my skills and experience, I believe that the current salary package needs to be increased by 15%. Rest other terms and conditions are acceptable. I am confident that we will be able to reach to an agreement. I am available anytime for discussing the same over video conference or through face-to-face meeting as per your convenience. Thanking you, yours sincerely, your name followed by your contact details. इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट टाइप आता है सैलरी नेगोशिएशन लेटर हाईलाइटिंग योर स्किल्स एंड एक्सपीरियंस। चलिए फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं। टू द HR मैनेजर, ABC कंपनी, दिल्ली। डियर सर, I take this opportunity to express my gratitude and thank you for offering me position of marketing manager. I am very much looking forward to work in ABC company as I am confident that with my experience and skills will make a significant growth in the company in the near distant future. Before accepting the offer, I would like to discuss the salary offered. During my interview, I have informed that I have 4+ more years of experience and formal training specifically required for this job. I have also demonstrated my capabilities in my last position at my previous company by increasing sales revenue in my division by 30% and personally brought 7 big multinational clients in my company portfolio. I humbly request you to kindly consider my expertise and skills and request to please increase the current offer to 12 lakhs per annum, a bit higher than offered 10 lakhs per annum. I can certainly see a future for myself at the company and I am confident that I can bring lot of value. I know that we come to a mutual agreement on an acceptable salary. For further discussions, I will be happy to visit at your office anytime as per your convenience. Kindly inform me date and time. Thanking you, sincerely, your name followed by your contact details. इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट टाइप है सैलरी नेगोशिएशन लेटर एज पर इंडस्ट्री नॉर्म्स। डेट, टू द HR मैनेजर, ABC कंपनी, दिल्ली। डियर मैम, I am very pleased to receive your offer for being business development manager with ABC organization and look forward to accepting it as I am convinced that my 10 years of experience in this field will be a great asset for the ABC company. The offered terms and conditions are acceptable to me with a few minor modifications. The salary package offered is 8 lakh rupees per annum. I have researched the industry norms for the position of business development manager with 10 years of experience. I believe that salary of rupees 10 to 12 lakhs per annum is more in line with my experience and knowledge that I would bring to the job. The position in question with your esteemed organization is of great interest to me as the job responsibilities and duties are challenging yet tailored to my ability. It corresponds to my professional objectives and with my skills, and I am certain that I will be an asset to the organization. I am willing to discuss the above request in detail anytime as per your convenience at your office and look forward to meeting you soon. For any additional information, please feel free to reach me. Thanking you, yours sincerely, your name followed by your contact details. इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स नेक्स्ट टाइप है सैलरी नेगोशिएशन लेटर इफ यू हैव रिसीव द ऑफर फ्रॉम अनदर इंडस्ट्री। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। डेट टू द HR मैनेजर ABC Corporation Delhi. Dear ma'am, I am delighted by your offer to join as software consultant in ABC Corp. I am enthusiastic to join and work with your team. However, I would like to take this opportunity to discuss my salary package before I can accept the offer. ABC Corp is my first choice as the given job responsibilities will tailor my abilities, but I have received another offer with higher salary of 8 lakhs per annum. As informed that ABC is my first preference, I am willing to work with your team and will accept your offer if you could match the above. I do understand that requested package may be a little more than the budget you planned, but I am flexible to negotiate with you to come with a mutual solution benefiting all of us. I am confident that my current skills and 6 years of experience in the same industry will provide significant growth to the organization. I will look forward to hear from you soon and hoping for a positive response. Thanking you, yours sincerely, your name followed by your contact details. इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स आता है नेक्स्ट टाइप सैलरी नेगोशिएशन लेटर also featuring advantage of your experience and skills in the current job role. चलिए फ्रेंड्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। डेट टू द HR मैनेजर ABC Digital Marketing Private Limited, Civil Lines, Delhi. Dear sir, thank you so much for the job offer package. I am honored to be offered the opportunity to work with ABC Digital Marketing Private Limited as Senior Marketing Manager. Before I can accept the offer, I would like to bring your kind consideration in regard to the salary structure offered. As informed during my interview, I have 8 years of experience in social media marketing. During the tenure of my employment of 8 years, 5 years I have worked as a team leader controlling teams of 20 to 25 members. Under my leadership, the marketing team increased marketing influence leads by more than 45% continuously for 3 years in a row and helped secure 35% increased revenue in all the 3 years. In addition, I was able to secure 6 major clients for my company. Besides this, my master degree in marketing along with my experience has prepared me to anticipate and overcome potential obstacles in social media marketing. I am always in the forefront of my field. Given my qualifications, I am seeking a salary between 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum instead of offered 8 lakhs per annum. I can bring a great deal of experience and expertise to ABC Digital Marketing Private Limited and also help you consistently generate more leads and exceed sales expectations. If the starting salary is non-negotiable, perhaps we can discuss other forms of compensation. I am willing to discuss the same along with you anytime as per your convenience. Please let me know when we can discuss the proposed compensation further. I look forward to hear from you soon. Yours sincerely, your name followed by your contact details. इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स आता है लास्ट टाइप सैलरी नेगोशिएशन लेटर डिस्कशन ऑन सैलरी पैकेजेस इंसेंटिव्स एंड पर्क्स ऑफर्ड बाय कंपनी। चलिए फ्रेंड्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। Date to the HR manager ABC Private Limited, Delhi. Dear ma'am, I am writing to confirm my acceptance to join ABC Private Limited as marketing director. I am willing to join the company from 1st December 2021 onwards and look forward to meet with marketing team. I also like to inform that I am delighted with thoughts of joining ABC Private Limited. I know that I can favorably affect the company's sale revenue and profit margins. Before discussing further, I am confident that we can orchestrate a mutually beneficial and prosperous arrangements. I also like to inform that I have a clear vision as to where I will fit into and how it can contribute to the company's future profit. Considering the same, I humbly request to kindly renegotiate the remunerations. First, I request to increase my annual payout to 20 lakhs per annum. Besides above, I will be entitled to 10% incentive on the annual sales profit. I will be given medical insurance including my family. I will be eligible for annual bonus of 5 lakhs per annum, paid vacations for 35 days. Rest other terms and conditions are acceptable to me. I am positive that it will be a great experience to work in ABC Private Limited. I have already reviewed the company growth in the past 10 years and I will be honored to have been chosen to lead the business further, and I anticipate long-term fruitful growth of the company by applying my years of experience and skills. I am available anytime as per Board of Directors' convenience to discuss the above in detail. सिंसियरली योर नेम फॉलोड बाय योर कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स। तो दोस्तों यहाँ खत्म होते हैं हमारे सारे मेजर टाइप्स ऑफ सैलरी नेगोशिएशन लेटर्स। आप इनको रेफर करके अपने अकॉर्डिंग अपने लेटर्स बना सकते हैं, और अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो हमेशा की तरह आप हमें कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं। इसी के साथ दोस्तों होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स और क्लोज फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर करें। तो ओके फ्रेंड्स, टेक केयर, बाय बाय।